Hi, today we'll look into CPU versus GPU benchmarking. Here I have a sample Python script. We will do the benchmarking for CPU and GPU. Like we will be doing matrix multiplication. We will start with smaller sizes and we keep on increasing until uh, memory is unavailable. This is the sample method for printing environment. Like I am using PyTorch and CUDA for this test. In this method I am printing system information, like I am using Windows 2025 server. So I am printing all the CPU details and RAM details. Here I am printing GPU information, GPU name and GPU memory. This is the actual benchmark method. In the first block we will do matrix multiplication with CPU. In the second block we'll do matrix multiplication with GPU. Here I am generating random matrices, and here I am multiplying the same code for CPU as well. Here I am generating random matrices with the given size, and here I am doing matrix multiplication. And in the end I am printing the time took for the multiplication. Same for GPU. Here we are starting with 1 by 1 matrix and going till 50,000. I already ran the script, so we'll check out this. This is the PyTorch version, like 2.1.0, and the CUDA version is 13.0. Coming to system information, the CPU is Intel, and I have 6 physical cores and 12 logical cores with RAM of 48 GB. The available RAM is 38 GB. Windows OS. I'm using NVIDIA L4 GPU, and the GPU memory is 23 GB. With 1 by 1 matrix, like the CPU performance is better because for smaller computations, like CPU will do faster than the GPUs. But as we go on, GPU will be performing better. For 5 by 5 matrix, the GPU is better, but if we go for 10 by 10 matrix, like CPU performance is better than GPU. So for smaller sizes, smaller complex tasks, like these variations will happen. Like sometimes CPU will perform better, sometimes GPU will perform better. But as we go on for larger sizes and complex tasks, the GPU performance will be better. If we check for 100 size matrix, the GPU performance is better, like it is better by 1.53x. For 1000 size matrix, the GPU performance is better by 9x. For 10,000 size matrix, if we see, like there is a significant jump, like GPU performance is better by 17x. For 25,000 matrix, like GPU performance is better by 14x. When I try to run 50,000 size matrix, I got an error like stating CUDA out of memory. So we stopped the test at 50,000 size. This is all about CPU versus GPU benchmarking. Thank you.